Yeah, that's real shit, man. Struggle and hustle. That shit build the muscle. You never know when it's your time to go. So I thank the Lord for another 24. Heart full of pain, but little good won't let it show. Never show no emotion, but I'm weeping from my soul. But I just chase paper, try to stack a little more. And I got a little seed, I just wanna see him grow. My nigga grab the camera, all my homies strike a pose. Our needs and our wants are temporary woes. The finer things in life, yeah, I envision those. Some shit is hard to swallow, but I swear I never choke. And I'm driving to success till my license get revoked. Incarcerate my body, but you can't trap my soul, man. Why the old times as a shorty had to go? Every quarter that I had, I was running to that stove. Now shit a little different, I sip a little more. And the lighter in the blunt, and a couple trees to blow. No time for these bitches, they sneaky and they bold. Yeah, the sex was real hot, but she'll leave your ass cold. These little dirty bitches never love you when you broke. Stay focused, maintain, keep your eye up on your goal. Vow to stay true and swore you never fold. You ain't gotta be a G, just stick to your code. Avoid being the one whose story never told. Like a little piece of history your page was never wrote. You had a lot of shit to say but never got a quote. Shot City breeze, man, I'm just grinding till I blow. I'm just grinding till I blow. The vent.